Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to the next video. Okay, for this video we have actually moved on to the next chapter where we are going to be talking about the further expansion and factorization of quadratic expressions. Okay, so for this video we are actually going to talk about the distributive law one more time. Alright, so why talk about distributive law again? This is because we are actually going to use the distributive law to expand more complex linear expressions. Okay, and how do these complex linear expressions look like? They're going to look like this. Okay, same number of brackets by having more terms inside the brackets, or simply more number of brackets. Alright, so that's the objective for this chapter. We'll be trying to use the distributive law to expand these expressions. Alright, so first of all we have the first complex expression. Alright, so two brackets by having more than two terms inside a bracket. So I would like to encourage everyone to pause the video here and give it a try expanding the expression yourself using the distributive law that you already know. Okay, don't worry, actually nothing has changed. So give it a try yourself. Okay, I hope you have given it a decent try. So let's compare the answers. Alright, so expanding the linear expression, I'm going to use the distributive method. Okay, I'm going to distribute A to the second bracket. So I get ACAD plus AE. Next, I'm going to distribute B. So I get positive BC plus BD plus BE. Alright, again, do take note, okay, watch out for the signs. If there are any negative signs, remember to make the changes accordingly. Alright, and actually as you can see, it's actually still quite simple despite the expression getting a little bit more complex. Alright, so let's look at a real example in this case. I have 2x plus y multiplied by 3x plus 2y plus 1. So we're going to try to use the distributive law to solve this. Again, you might want to pause the video here and give it a try yourself first before you move on. Okay, distributive law, I'm going to distribute 2x to the second bracket. So I will get 6x squared plus 4xy plus 2x, and when I distribute y, I'm going to get 3xy plus 2y squared plus y. Alright, so one more time again, do remember to watch out for the signs. Okay, we are lucky this time all positive signs, but if there's any negative signs, do remember to watch the changes. Additionally, we may actually need to simplify the like terms. Can you spot any like terms in the equation that we have solved out? Okay, so you can see that 4xy and 3xy are actually like terms. So we're going to simplify them by adding them together. So they are 7xy plus 2x plus 2y squared plus y, and this should be the final answer. Okay, now that we have done that complex example, let's move on to the second one. We're going to have 3 brackets. Again, we're going to use distributive law. So do give it a try yourself. Okay, and see what you can get. Okay, that's good. Let's compare answers. Alright, I am going to try out. What we're going to do is we're actually going to expand the brackets pair by pair. So I'm going to expand the first pair of brackets first. So expanding that first pair of brackets, I'm going to get AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Alright, and notice that the last bracket E plus F is still separately written in a separate bracket. Okay, this is where we're going to do the second expansion to include the second bracket. Alright, so I'm going to get ACE ACF, ADE, ADF, BCE, BCF, BDE, and finally BDF. Okay, when there are no more terms left to distribute, then we have finally completed the solution. Alright, one more time, another reminder again, watch out for the signs. Okay, let's try that out with a real example. I have x plus y multiplied by 2x plus y multiplied by x plus 3z. Okay, do try yourself. Okay, comparing the answers. First thing, we're going to expand the first pair of brackets first. I'm going to get 2x squared plus xy plus 2xy plus y squared, and then the second bracket. Now we'll expand to the second bracket. 2x cubed plus 6zx squared yx squared 3xyz 2yx squared 6xyz plus xy squared plus 3zy squared. Now, do you think we have reached a final solution yet? No, we should simplify all the like terms. So gathering all the like terms together, there are actually a number here. So I'll have 2x cubed plus 6zx squared and plus 3yx squared plus 9xyz plus xy squared plus 3zy squared. And then this is the final solution. Okay. And looking at the same example again, because I'm going to show you something. Okay, the simplification for the solution can actually be done at this step. Okay, after the first expansion of the brackets, I can simplify the first expression first in the first bracket. So 2x squared plus xy plus 2xy plus y squared. If you notice, there are two like terms there. I can simplify them into 3xy. Then I will do the expansion. Do you notice that it's actually a little bit easier? Alright, so again the choice is yours. Alright, where you can choose whether you want to simplify as you go along or only simplify at the last step. Your answer should still be the same. Alright, don't worry. It sounds complex, but it actually can be done. Okay, practice. Don't worry. Alright, so that's the end of the first video. Alright, so please go to your exercise 4a. Let's try some of the basic questions. Questions 2a, c, e, g, and I. Alright, and we'll talk more about them when we meet in class. Alright, see you all next time.